Oh, shut the door. Checking everything out. Let's see what this fella says. He always leaves this. Alright, y'all ready? If I can read his handwriting. Alright, this is the Groundhog Recorder, February 2nd, 2023. Hear ye, hear ye, hear ye. Now this second day of February, 2023, I, Beau, Pontificator of the South, he always uses this word, meteorological marmot, I can't say that, marmot, and gentlemen's gentlemen will make this 42nd annual weather declaration from 101 Whistle Pig Way, Dauset Trails Nature Center, Jackson, Georgia, via the Groundhog Recorder. All right, here we go. General Beau, your friend, your pal, reporting for duty. Good morning, good day, and boy, it's a beauty. It's a splendid day to venture out of my mansion. I know it's cold, but it's not as cold as Wisconsin. Believe the words that come out of my mouth. I'm the one, the only prognosticator of the South. I've given this gent my weather predicting scroll. Remember, the weather I do not control. I take soothsaying seriously. It is my occupation. Now here is my prediction, my faithful congregation. From me, your buddy, your favorite groundhog named Beau, glad tidings and good news. I did not see my shadow. Woo! Happy early spring. Hey! All right. Early spring, thank goodness.
Good job.
Text mama.
So that's that girl from 41 News. Mom will be happy about that. I know.
He hasn't found his hash brown.
I agree. I have fun too.
Who does? Oh, it's fine. My lens is too long to go right there.
Oh, there you go. You're welcome.
Yeah. Oh, he found him. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh.